Emily, the intern at HealthyUNCG, and today I'll be showing you how to use the TRX. This device goes over the door frame, preferably towards the middle, so when you go out, your body will be towards the middle. To lengthen it, you press this button and you go down. To shorten it, you pull the yellow strap and it pulls back up. The first exercise will be a squat, so you step back, make sure the bands are taut, lean back just slightly, and lower your butt down and bring yourself back up. So just repeat. Now if that's too easy for you, you can do a one-legged squat. Angle yourself just a little bit, put one foot up, and go down. Bring yourself back up, go back down, and repeat. The next exercise we will do is called the row. This will target your back, biceps, and core. So you back up with the bands taut, go to a slight angle with your feet slightly apart. The closer you go, the harder it will be. Stand up at a slight angle, arms extended, and push through your back forward. Lower yourself down, go back up, lower yourself down. The next exercise we will do is called the YWT. It's called that because you are literally making a Y, a W, and a T with your arms. So what you do, grab the TRX band, go to a slight angle, just like if you were doing the row, get your arms extended, and push through your back. Make a Y, starting position, into a W, starting position, into a T. And we just repeat. Y, W, This next exercise will be a chest press. You will be working out your triceps and your chest. You want to slowly lower yourself down and slowly push yourself back up. To challenge yourself, you can do a variation of the chest press called the chest block. This isolates the chest muscles and does not work out your triceps. What you would do is turn your palms facing towards each other, and you will lower yourself into a T and then return to a starting position. The next exercise will be a hip dip. This works your total core. So you need to place the straps above your head with the straps tight with zero slack. You're going to drop your hip away from the door. So if you're facing this way, your hip drops this way. Feet together, drop your hip, bring it back up. Drop your hip, bring it back up. This next exercise will be a tricep exercise. Extend the band in front of your face and lower your face into your hands. So push yourself back up, only use your elbows. Bring yourself back down. Bring yourself back up. This next exercise will be a hamstring bridge, and this works your hamstrings and your core. Now I've extended the straps because the higher your straps are, the higher your bridge will be. You're going to place your heels in the straps of the bands, and don't be afraid if they move because they'll come back. Lay down, place your hands by your sides, push your hips up, bring your feet in, extend them out, then drop your hips. So it should look like this. The next exercise will be a plank. To place yourself into the glutes, back yourself up. I would suggest putting your foot like this against the door, putting each foot in, and then coming back out. This will stop you from moving. Now you can do this on your hands, like this, or on your forearms. Once you're on the ground, put your forearms down, and push yourself up. Keep yourself stable, and to prevent moving, keep your core tight. And then just lower yourself back down. Thank you for watching. These are all the exercises that I have for you today. If you would like to see more, you can check out this box from the Fitness Lending Library. The description for that will be in the bar below. In the kit, there's the DVD, a booklet filled with exercises and pictures of how to use them, and of course the TRX bands. Thank you.